Hi everyone. So today you will learn how to connect your Replit project to GitHub. As you can see, currently I am on replit.com and here I am on github.com. As you can see, currently I am logged in. So make sure you too. On the Replit website, simply click on projects. I got one project here. Simply click on it. So here on the left hand side, I got a chat window. On the right hand side, I got a preview. Simply click on tools. Then click on Git, and here you can see GitHub is disconnected. Simply click on sign in, click on continue to GitHub, click on authorize. Now you can see GitHub is active. Now simply click on create remote. You can change the repo name here, but I'll leave it as it is. You can also provide some description, but I'll keep everything as it is. Simply click on create repository. Now let's go to github.com, refresh the page, and that's the repo. Click on it, and that's the repo, but there are no contents. Basically, the code files are missing. Now on the Replit website, click on this arrow icon just before the settings. Click here, confirm for this session. Then click on push branch. Now let's go to github.com, refresh the repo. So these are the code files. And that's all what you have to do to connect your Replit project to GitHub. That's enough for today. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.